For more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com. This is DarkCybernetics, mathematics for computer sciences. Diameter of a circle. Follow on with our free course documentation. In this video, we will quickly discuss how to compute the diameter of a circle given our radius being the distance from the center of the circle to the outermost edge. We will give this value for the radius r as 10, and we need to know the information which connects the other edge of the circle to the other side of the circle, which would be our diameter. So if we want to know the radius for a circle, we could just say that our diameter d is equal to 2 times the radius. In this case, our radius is 10, so we know that 2 times 10, 2 times r, well, let's write in d is equal to what? 2 times 10. For this particular example, it would be 2 times 10, 2.0, 1, 0, right? And 2 times 10 is, of course, 20. And for more information, please visit our website at DarkCyberetics.com.